Jesus wants us to be completely sold out for Him, and He's looking for true disciples, people who love God above all, who have a pure heart, a loving heart, and who have two great desires: for God to be glorified and for souls to be saved. The shift is already here, where God is starting to bring His chosen people to the forefront, and He needs you to stay completely humble and obedient in the midst of all the changes. And also, once you are positioned to play a key role, He needs you to stay humble and obedient to His voice. God is looking for trustworthy people in order to make you stewards of His wealth. People who will have the ability to stay humble in the midst of the outpouring of the blessings, but also in the midst of challenges. People who love wisdom more than gold, and who have two great desires: for God to be glorified and for souls to be saved.